Metong kano ka rin kakakit ng Presidente Ferdinand Marcos Jr. a solusyon king matinding trafficking Metro Manila, ing pa mag-develop ka rin kasiping nanining probinsya.
Congested ang Metro Manila, kung kaya bahagi talaga ng pagpaplano ay may develop ang mga kalapit probinsya at syudad. Yan ang mga nakikita natin ngayong mga development. Bulacan, Pampanga sa North at Cavite and Laguna sa South. Kaya pati ang mga kalye at tulay na papunta sa mga lugar na yon ay patuloy natin pinapaganda pa.
Ingamano na ning pamuntok na ning bangsa, maluwat na ng sinubong ning Countryside Development Champion at founder na ning Laos Group of Companies ay Liberato Levi P. Laos o LPL kareng kayang kakaluguran at kapagobra. Kimpa magmasusi king kalimang banwana ning mangubye ay LPL. Miyabe la rin sablang lulugod at re-respeto kaya bangga na kandeng meging ambag na emuketi Pampanga nuneking mabilog a Central Luzon. Metong neke ni ing dating Pampanga 3rd District Representative a City of San Fernando Mayor Attorney Oscar Rodriguez. Personal na kanong ikit ning dating government official nung makananuya menalakaran i Mr. Laos pang mitalakad laring nihaliwang infrastructure projects a meging sangkan ning paminono ning ekonomiya keti Central Luzon.
Halos mayayakit la, pari ko. Kaya yung idea yung decongest Metro Manila, develop the provinces, marirealize it. And at the same time, kompletuan la rin strukturang dapat kompletuan kaya di Central Luzon.
Metong yung Mr. Laos karing meni muna king Save San Fernando movement, anya mi talakadya ing mega dike, bang dinan lang proteksyon kontra king Lahardeng Fernandino at aliwata mong kabalen. Aparti pa kanini, pegumpisa niya naman ing Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated o PAMCHAM, asasawop karing negosyante keti probinsya.
Founded this 21 years ago, no? And I was one of the fortunate that he considered me as one of the founding members. Talagang kahit nung nawala siya, talagang we tried our best to do what he has been doing. Yung impact sa community, no? Yes, yung community development, talagang mararamdaman mo pa rin kahit wala siya, nararamdaman mo yung what he has done are being followed and being done.
Iya impeka spark plug na ning Save San Fernando po PAMCHAM at maragulyang kawalan kaya kaming organisasyon. Muna yang lalawin ning peka leader talaga kaya ning organisasyon.
Proud na proud no man deng anak ng LPL ulingang ka ng eni, pamurin makakalingwan ing meging contribution bang masensuya ing Pampanga at ing mabilog a Central Luzon.
2 days ago, no, nagbukas kami ng isang dealership sa loob ng Clark. And nakakatuwa kasi well-recognized pa rin yung naging contribution niya. In fact, si Attorney Agnes really recognized the contribution of LPL during his time. So it is also part of the progressive Central Luzon, I would say, na nakikita natin ngayon. No?
Pasalamat no man deni at may nga kulang ibalaw sing pegumpisa na ning karelang tatang alimu para king karelang pamilya nune para murin kareng empleyado ning karelang kumpanya at king lokal na ekonomiya.
We're really grateful sa foundation, di ba? In anything, I think, in anything that we do in life, alam naman natin yan, sa isang bahay, importante ang pundasyon, di ba? Yung aesthetic, sa huli na lang pumapasok yan. And I'm really glad, and we're really glad as a family and as a business, that LPL put that solid foundation in all our employees and in our culture in the Laos Group. So, kung ano man ang natatamasa namin yon, it's because of the foundation that we're just trying to build upon every year, di ba? Since the time that he left us. So I'm really, really grateful for him.
Ako yung kaya kayong talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalan.